Have you ever heard someone say your traditional marriage isn't legal? What if I told you that's one of the biggest legal myths in Nigeria? Ada's story will open your eyes to the truth about customary marriage and how a single misconception can change everything. Stay with us. Ada and Emeka had been married traditionally in their village in Anambra. The entire community witnessed it. The families exchanged kola nuts, bride price was paid, elders prayed over them, and the couple began life as husband and wife. Years later, Emeka tragically passed away without writing a will. When Ada tried to claim her husband's property, Emeka's extended family told her she had no rights because her marriage wasn't recognized by law. Shocked and heartbroken, Ada sought legal advice, and to her surprise, she learned that her marriage was in fact recognized under Nigerian law, but in a different way from statutory marriage. This story reflects a common myth in Nigeria, that customary marriage is invalid or without legal recognition. But this is not true. Many Nigerians believe that unless a marriage is conducted in a registry under the Marriage Act, it is not real in the eyes of the law. This misconception stems from 1. Colonial influence. The British imposed the Marriage Ordinance, emphasizing statutory marriage. 2. Modern education and urbanization. Registry marriages are often seen as superior or civilized. 3. Inheritance disputes. Extended families often deny widows' rights, exploiting ignorance of the law. But in truth, Nigerian law recognizes multiple systems of marriage. Customary marriage is legally valid in Nigeria if it complies with the customs of the people involved, provided such customs are not repugnant to natural justice, equity, and good conscience, or inconsistent with written law. Recognition under the Constitution and laws. Section 315 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, protects customary law as part of Nigeria's legal system. The Evidence Act 2011 recognizes customary law as applicable where parties are subject to it. The Marriage Act governs statutory marriage, but it does not abolish customary or Islamic marriages. The characteristics of customary marriage include consent of both parties, that is, freedom to marry, payment of bride price or dowry, that is, as required by custom, family or community involvement, ceremonial rights, which varies by ethnic group. Once these elements are satisfied, the marriage is legally binding under customary law. Let's look at the judicial decisions. In Meribay v. Egwu, 1976, 1 NMLR 47, the Supreme Court affirmed that customary law marriage is valid, provided it conforms to accepted traditions. In Akinbuwa v. Akinbuwa, 1998, 7 NWLR, Part 559, 661, the court reiterated the enforceability of customary marriage, particularly regarding inheritance rights. So what are the differences between customary and statutory marriage? While both are legally recognized, they come with different consequences. 1. Monogamy versus polygamy. Statutory marriage is strictly monogamous, as customary marriage is potentially polygamous, that is, a man may marry more than one wife. 2. Proof of marriage. With statutory marriage, a marriage certificate is issued by registry, while customary requires oral evidence, witnesses, a written proof of bride price. 3. Dissolution. For statutory marriage, only by court order under the Matrimonial Causes Act, while with customary marriage, dissolution can only occur through traditional arbitration, return of bride price, or customary court order. 4. Inheritance. Statutory marriage are governed by Wills Act, administration of estates laws, and case laws, while customary marriage is governed by native laws, though courts now apply constitutional equality to protect widows. Implications for couples and families include 1. Ignorance breeds injustice. Widows and children are often denied their inheritance because extended families exploit the myth. 2. Need for documentation. While oral testimony can prove customary marriage, written proof, for example, receipts for bride price, photographs, witnesses strengthens recognition. 3. Conflicts between systems. Couples who contract both customary and statutory marriages must be careful. The statutory marriage overrides in matters of monogamy. 4. Gender equality issues. Some customs discriminate against women, but Nigerian courts, guided by the Constitution, are striking these down. Example, Ukeje versus Ukeje 2014, 11 NWLR, Part 1418, 384, where the Supreme Court ruled that female children cannot be denied inheritance under Igbo custom. So what are the legal practical guidance for these? For Nigerians considering marriage, here are key steps. Know your rights. Customary marriage is valid. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Decide on marriage type. If you want strict monogamy, consider statutory marriage. Keep records. Preserve receipts, photos, and witness statements to prove the marriage later. Consider a double ceremony. Many couples perform customary rites and later register the marriage under the Act for stronger documentation. Seek legal advice, especially in inheritance or divorce cases. Consult a lawyer to navigate the differences. Don't let ignorance rob you of your rights. Whether you married in the village or city, your union is recognized by law if it followed due process. Secure your future today, document your marriage, know your rights, and protect your family. The myth that customary marriage has no legal recognition is one of the biggest misconceptions in Nigerian family law. In truth, customary marriages are deeply entrenched in the legal system, provided they conform to accepted traditions and principles of justice. The problem is not the law, but ignorance. Like Ada's story, many Nigerians suffer because they don't know the truth. Awareness is the first step to empowerment. By understanding that customary marriage is legally binding, families can protect widows, secure children's rights, and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Thanks for watching. If you found this Law Mythbuster educative and informative, please like to support our channel and share it with a friend. Follow Tonik Law Partners for more case reviews, law mythbusters, and legal tidbits that help you understand the law and your legal rights.